Hey guys, today we are going to add this type of held reviews section. This is such a powerful section because it shows your customers real star ratings and verified reviews right on the homepage, which builds instant trust and pushes people to buy from you instead of your competitors. So, without wasting any time, let's see exactly how to add this section to your store. Go to your store admin, click on Apps, and search for Section Kit. Click on it and install it. It only takes a few seconds. Now type held reviews in the search bar. Here you'll find just one section by the name held reviews. And right now it's free for a limited time, so make sure you grab it while it's still available. Click on more info and purchase it. After purchasing, click on my sections. And here you'll find all the sections you've purchased so far neatly organized in one place. Now click on the section you want to add to your theme. Let's click on the first section, and here we'll choose our favorite theme to install it into. I'm using Horizon, so I'll click on the plus icon and open it in the customizer. After this, we can go ahead and customize this section completely to match the look and feel of our store. Scroll down, click on Add Section, type Held, and choose the first section that appears. And finally, this section has been added to your store. Now here comes the fun part because we can completely customize this section however we like, from the text to the design. For example, let's replace the heading held by thousands with something more fitting, like held by hundreds, depending on where your store currently stands. What else should we change? Scroll down and explore every single setting available here because there's a lot you can play with. Anything you don't like, you can change it right there and then, like the background color, the padding around each review card, the star colors, the fonts, and honestly, almost every visual detail you can think of. Take your time and customize it in a way that truly matches your brand and makes your store feel more trustworthy at first glance. I really hope this app makes your e-commerce journey a lot easier and helps you build that instant trust with your customers. If you want to see something else about this app on this channel, or if you're facing any problem related to it, just drop a comment below and I'll make sure to help you out.